Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 5. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The appellants accused have filed criminal miscellaneous cases before the High Court of Delhi under Section 482 of CRPC seeking quashing of the impugned proceedings, including the summoning order dated 16/5/2015 passed by the Metropolitan Magistrate Patiala House Court, New Delhi. Stop. The said petitions are disposed of by the impugned common order dated 18/5/2018 by the High Court. Stop. Though the order is bulky, but most part of the order refers to contentions and abstracts from various documents. Stop. High Court has opined that it is not appropriate to quash the FIR number 390 of 2013 at police station R.K. Puram, which was registered against the appellants accused for offence under sections 336 and 338 read with section 32 of IPC and section 4 of COPTA 2003. Stop. While declining to quash the proceedings as prayed for the petitioners in criminal miscellaneous cases were allowed to appear through an advocate whose wakalatnama should be on record. Stop. We have had Sri Siddharth Luthra, Land Senior Counsel for the appellant in SLP number 7969 of 2018 and Shri Anupam Lal Das, Land Senior Counsel for the appellant in SLP numbers 10054 to 10056 of 2018. Stop. Land Senior Counsel Shri Siddharth Luthra has taken us through the impugned order passed by the High Court and other materials placed on record and made the following submissions. Stop. From the allegations as stated in the final report charge sheet submitted by the police, no case is made out to proceed against the appellant accused number 2 for the alleged offences under sections 336, 338 read with section 32 of IPC and section 4 of COPTA 2003. Stop. The appellant accused number 2 was overseas from 12/10/2013 to 19/10/2013. Stop. The High Court has considered the case as if investigation is pending. Stop. To attract the ingredients of section 336, an act done rashly and negligently to endanger human life or personal safety are essential elements. Stop. There are no such ingredients to prosecute the appellant accused number 2. Stop. To attract section 338 of IPC in addition to the above said acts as required to prosecute for the offence under section 336, additional ingredients of grievous hurt should be alleged and proved. Stop. The appellant accused number 2, who is the managing director of Messrs Asian Hotels North Limited, which is a public listed company, runs hotel Hyatt Regency is neither the occupier nor the owner nor the licensee of the hotel. Stop.